Hey spectators, it's me, Specboy Jordan, and I'm here with
Specboy Alex!
and Specboy Lukey.
Today, we're unboxing the Elite Trainer boxes of Rebel Clash Sword and Shield. Each of us have one, so we're each going to get our own box. So make sure you like, subscribe, click the little notification bell, and make sure you have a lot of fun watching our videos.
Hit the tiny bell.
Now, I'm going to start by opening mine. We all can take off our plastic, Luke, not plastic. I'm so good at this. Look at it go.
Can you help me out, please?
But I'm opening my box.
Is it down here?
No. So, there's a hole right there. You're supposed to peel at it. Do you understand? Okay. Ah! There's a book!
Oh, book.
Book. This will set to the side. Now, we have the first opening of Sword and Shield Rebel Clash book. We have a Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Pokemon TCG Player's Guide. It's got a lot of cool information on it, so we could get a bunch of cool cards from it. Like a Phalanx V, Sandaconda V, Malamar V, Valimar V Max, Caparajah V, Caparajah V Max, Double V, and one of my favorites, Toxicity, is in this game. Okay, what?
Yes.
He's in the thing. He's in the box. Just gonna set up my thing right there. Now, we're gonna, this is the same, just gonna,
Whoa.
and then we're gonna pull out this. Don't touch, this is my box, you have your box. Then we have the, just a Pokemon trading card game rule book. Pretty decent, I like it.
Yes.
I've opened one of these on my channel before, so I'm actually glad I'm doing it with the bros. So then we're going to turn. Okay, so, there's still more down here.
There's Pokemon cards.
Poison and burn counters.
Yeah.
Sweet deal.
Ooh. I love these.
I love these dice, because every pack of Elite Trainer box that they have, there's a special dice in there with the sign of what package it is.
Ooh, some.
You want to see a magic trick, Luke?
Yes.
Gone. Now we have some dividers for organ
packs.
These are my packs.
I know that.
Stop touching.
Because I want to touch.
We got some dividers for our Elite Trainer box organization. Just gonna set those there. Then we have code card for
TCG.
Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Elite Trainer box, which will get a bunch of sleeves and a box for when you're using the deck. And as I was saying, here we are, the sleeves.
Yes.
I'm really not too psyched for these ones. I'm actually psyched for the Burning Shadows because Sun and Moon's my favorite one. Which one of you are wanting Sword and Shield Rebel Clash box? Was it you? Did you want this one? Yeah.
Yes, I did.
We'll be unboxing another Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box, but we don't know which one it's going to be. So we'll make sure you stick around for that video.
Yeah.
So we have the sleeves for them. Then we have a mysterious Oh!
Ooh, a deck, it looks like.
It's not a deck. It's a package full of energies, yeah.
Okay, now I get it.
And then for my favorite part of the Elite Trainer box
is what?
There we go.
Okay.
Rebel Clash packs. I'm excited, aren't you? Okay. Now I'm gonna put all my other stuff in my thing, just so for safekeeping. One of the family members will get mine. What?
May I go next?
I gotta finish opening my packs too. Just gonna push this to you. Then gonna start with my first pack. Yay! What? Don't give me that look. Don't. Open your pack. Yeah, open your pack. Don't be sad. This is fun, dude. Fine. Don't give me that mean eye. I don't like it when you do that. The stupid fact not listening to Jimmy. Jimmy. What? You think I'm stupid? Oh, no, I'm not stupid. Hey, stop poking me! Dude, man, I'm trying to open my pack here. This is the first RoboClash box. Now we start off the magic.
Eat the garbage.
This. Then, first we start off with Applin, one of the newer cards that come out in Sword and Shield. Alolan? Okay. This is not Sun and Moon. Just sit down in your chair so we can focus. Okay, we have a Galarian Darumaka, Ice type. Bunnelby. Vulpix. Phantom. And a new card, Galarmine. Nice foil. A Seismitoad. Electric Energy. Milo. Durfield Stadium and Lombre.
Oh, next pack. 6 to any number.
We have in these Elite Trainer boxes. There is a bunch of there's a total of 8 packs in every Elite Trainer box. Natu.
Natu again.
Natu, the Psychic type bird.
Mm.
Onage, Metal type.
Oh, who's that?
Impidimp.
That's new.
Magmar.
Electabuzz.
A foil Growlithe.
Ooh.
Whew.
Then we have a chocolate bunny.
You said that with the Sun and Moon packs. Digzaderby.
Digzaderby.
I'm about to Digzaderby you. Fighting type energy. Pokeball.
I'm about to Pokeball you.
I'm not a Pokemon.
Don't care.
Lampit. Halucha and Code Card. Then we
I'm about to Code Card
what?
you.
You bored? You guys can open up your packs. You guys can get your packs out. So you can open up your Elite Trainer boxes because they're all the same. Just get your packs out and be ready to unbox your package your packs. You got it? There's that. Boy.
This one's really good.
He learned it from the best.
Shut up.
Oh. Vulpix. Milcree. Ooh, it's a special one. Galarian Farfetch'd. He's a brand new card. Then we have a Galarian Meowth. Caterpie. Cursed Shovel. Is there a Pokemon with a shovel in it? Any Pokemon with a oh, Paulo Sand. Paul Sand? I don't know. Sandy Gas. Jordan, you gotta fuck with me, man. You can't just go, hi. No, stop it. Yeesh. Mandibuzz. Psychic type energy. Bronzong. Metapod. And Tool Scrapper. Now to start off with our next one. I'm hoping I can get the signature card in this pack. So since we're doing a RoboClash on the Elite Trainer boxes, there's a Copper Raja. So I'm hoping I can get the V Max of Copper Raja. It's gonna be pretty lit. Why did I say that? Are we in like the 50s? We are? I never knew that.
I wish we are.
Abracadabra. No more garbage. Volby. A Galarian Corsola. Usually they're bright and pink.
Corsola.
Toxio.
Ooh,
Galarian
Toxio.
Mr. Mime.
Mr. Mime.
Snover. Electroid. Greedent.
Alex, that was a foil.
Oh, that is a foil! Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Jordan. Didn't expect that. No,
Spec Mommy.
No, Spec Dad, I would have been really mad and just gonna go smack smack. Smack smack. Yeah, you would have went like.
You like to spank it, spanking.
No, I don't want to spank it. I don't want to spank it.
I'm gonna spank you.
Yeah. Pokeball. Pelipper. Speed energy. This is a special one, so we're gonna foil it. Garbage, be gone. Yes, Jordan?
When you're done with that pack, can I go?
Oh, I need to open all of my packs first before you go.
turn. I'll have to.
No.
I'm gonna electric energy. Thunderbolt.
Now we're gonna. Jordan, it's fine. Don't worry, Jordan. When it's your turn, you may open up all the packs you want.
Yes. And me too. You have 3 more packs left.
Growlithe.
Ooh, Growlithe.
Reefy. Snover.
No.
Bionicle.
That's
Galarian Darumaka. Foil Arcudo.
Arrokuda.
Arrokuda.
Yeah. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
I don't. Our first V! Toxicity V. This is a very good one, isn't it, Jordan?
It's a legendary. Or maybe a gold.
And then we're gonna need this one.
I can barely even snap. I can whistle though.
Obviously, there's not a glove around your mouth, is there? Yay! Our first V.
That's a
Thank
gold.
you, Specdata. We have a water energy.
Water energy.
Bionicle, no.
You just blasted him like a rat.
I'm just gonna leave it there. Dracolock. The evolved form of 3P.
Ooh.
Lampet. And then another Galar Mine.
Then a cold card for TCG.
Yep.
Next pack. That's our first gold.
That's not gold. It's our first V. Usually getting a V or a V. What?
I really like a sip to you. Two more pets.
Phantom.
Yeah.
Dreepy. Galarian Farfetch'd. Onage. Dimple. Foil. Clefairy.
And another foil behind that.
Yeah.
How much foil are we getting?
I don't know.
Maybe is it your luck? Twice?
No, it's not luck. Your chances of getting a foil out of card. You're obviously to get one foil out of every pack.
Pikachu.
Okay. You're back to what I was saying. You're more than likely you get a foil out of every pack. Doesn't matter what kind of foil it is, you'll get a foil. Dark type energy, Kalucha, Morgreen, Medicham, and Code
One more pack for you, Mr. Rabbit.
After this one, there's one more.
Yes. Then I'm gonna open mine. This one you're gonna get a gold.
We don't know that. Toxeel,
Toxeel,
Litwick,
Netlick,
Slowtoad,
Lowtoad,
Clefairy,
Café,
Voltorb,
Voltorb.
and we have a Galarian Berserker.
That's a.
Evolved from a Galarian Meowth.
He has a beard.
It's not really a beard. He's supposed to be the Viking Pokemon. Well, I don't know if it's really a beard.
Like.
No, not like that. Ninetales, Leaf Energy, Palpitoad, Capture Energy, and a Chavitat.
And the scan thing.
As I continue opening these packs.
One more pack.
Really? You guys just keep saying that? 0 packs.
One more pack. 0 packs.
It's not funny, man. Nobody boots me. Meditite, another Milcery, Growlithe, Impidimp, Bunnelby,
Oh.
Foil, Galarian, Mr. Mime.
Galarian.
Galarian is supposed to be
We have never saw that guy in Pokemon Go yet.
because he hasn't come out yet.
Oh, he hasn't?
No. Wait, maybe they actually did. I don't know.
Maybe he's in the ice area.
Aegislash,
It's trash.
Electric Energy,
Electric.
Hatterene, Lampet, Pokeball, and that. Jordan, now you may
Oh,
go.
this one.
Oh, it's your turn. Oh, yeah.
My turn.
You ready, Luke?
My packs. Yes, I am.
Okay, hand me your first pack. Oh, you got it.
Okay,
They're open. Wow. I can't believe it. A magical
I'm
spirit
married.
did it. No, Luke, you know what you're supposed to do with this? You're supposed to go, garbage, be gone.
Okay.
Hatenna.
We got a magical
Oh, it's the best one of all of them. Magikarp.
diaper monkey.
Isn't he the best?
Diaper monkey.
It's not Diaper Monkey. It's Meditite. Stunky. Grubbin. Foil on Edge. Ooh, wait, Luke. You have something special. Hold on. No, stop, Luke. Stop. I don't want you damaging it because these are special cards, remember?
No type energy. I don't know what it is. I don't know.
Ooh, it's the one I've been trying. It's not the one I'm looking for.
Who is it?
Can't, Luke. No, Luke. You don't want to damage it.
I want to do that. Then here's a heart for you.
Are you sure? Mind giving me this?
It's a V too. Our second V.
It's our second V. So
Woohoo!
Jordan's more than likely to get a V that he's supposed to be with.
Yes.
How I like Toxicity. I don't know. Do you like Copper
No.
Raja? He got a Copper Raja V. The most cool. I'm trying to get a Copper Raja V Max out of the packs. But we got a Copper Raja V. Second best thing. Okay, anything here? Mind handing me these? Thank you. Oh, you still got more? We have Tranquil, Zatu, and a Heatmore. What? He has a Bronzor,
Yay.
Toxeel,
Yay.
Litwick,
Yay.
Lowtoad,
Yay.
Clefairy,
Yay.
a Durant.
It's him. It's the purple guy with the spin head.
You don't know what he is.
Yes, I do.
You don't.
It's the purple guy with the pumpkin face.
Oh, what?
I don't know what he is.
He's supposed to be Spirit. Okay. Oh, that was a close one. Almost dropped them. Don't worry, they're safe. So then we have Spiritomb,
Yeah, Spiritomb.
Psychic type Energy, Tranquil, Sonia, Pelipper, and the code card. Next, you have it ready?
I'm gonna do this one this time.
Surskit, another magic card,
Diaper monkey.
not a Diaper Monkey, Meditite, Milcery, Growlithe,
Oh,
foil. What's a foil? Luke, don't throw them down. You need to keep them in good condition. Aegislash, Dark Energy, anything else? Pelipper, Bronzong, and a Nugget. And don't show them this because they're having a giveaway. Oh, that's right. I forgot to tell you guys. We're doing the 35 code card giveaway. And later, once we get 100 subscribers, we will start the giveaway. And after we reach more higher amount of subscribers, we will be giving more prizes. Code cards to Elite Trainer boxes. We will be giving a lot of cool stuff. We will even do like a video with you guys. The one lucky winner will be able to do a video with us. A gaming video more than likely because of the pandemic. We're just not going to worry about that. But you guys will get to play a game with us. And us three will decide on one game to play. We're each going to have a competition to see whoever can win that competition will decide what game we play with you. The winner of this competition.
The games that we can play.
Well, we're going to have to wait before we can say this. Okay, but we're going to talk more after the video.
Yes.
Let's continue. You got a Our first legendary, Zacian. Lucky, Metal Energy, Turfield Stadium, Carcoal, Hatterene, Impidimp, Bunnelby, Phantom, Dreepy,
Finally, my foil.
Galarian Farfetch. What is it? I don't think everyone was excited by that. Guys, I got a great foil. Don't unsubscribe. I'm sorry. This is fault. He was like, guys, this is a good one. Don't look through them, Luke. You're supposed to show them. Okay, ready? Hand me your first card. Hand me your first card, dude.
Magmar.
Okay, you just hand me the cards and I'll tell them, okay?
Electabuzz. A foil.
Oh, hold on. We need to get it in the foil and the
Let's
heart
see
shape.
what this guy is.
He's got another V. Lucky him. I'm
Yeah.
stuck with one.
I still have 3. Wait. Okay, so
You gotta
Dark Energy. Like in the comments if you know what his name is.
What is it? I said it like 3 times already. Had a ream.
Pokemon.
Don't show that again. Okay, but before you show your next card, here we have your special Sandaconda V.
I got this kind of V too.
He's got 2 V's. I'm stuck with one.
Uno, des, cinco.
Yeah, no, so what the heck was that?
Uno,
Saco.
des, cinco.
It sounds like I'm gonna sock you with a saco.
Saco.
A Natu, Onage, and an Impidimp. You almost done?
My turn. Again. Let's see. Oh, we
You're
have.
extremely lucky. Okay, Toxio, Applin, Galarian Darumaka,
A
Bunnelby,
Vulpix.
Vulpix,
A Caterpie. That's
Foil.
a foil.
Oh, that's funny. That's Butterfree.
Yeah.
Caterpie evolves into Butterfree.
Water type energy. Ooh.
A Butterfree. What is this? More green. Then we have a Palpitoad and a Scoop Up Net. Scoop up, scoop up.
This one right behind you.
Comment down below if we should make some music videos for us.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe. Hadana,
Snagger.
Scyther, Nosepat, Wingull, Coughing, Foil, yep, Foil, hold on. Ooh, that's a nice card right there.
A Alolan.
Here, can I say something? Ruinarigus. And we're not in Alola, we're in Galar.
No.
Then why'd you say Alolan? Then we have Olena, Luxio, Dracolock, and then Olena.
Yep. Cool.
Mind handing me the cards? Milcery, Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Meowth, Caterpie, Corsola, Foil Scyther. Ooh, hang on to that one. Don't put it down, Luke. Then it's going to be hard for me to pick it up.
Too bad.
Don't accept.
Okay, that's all. It's my turn.
You're done?
What is He's still stuff in his hand. It looks like we're
Luke, you might want to focus on what's in your hands.
Dark energy. Metapod. A wrench. 2 wrenches.
Tool Scrapper.
Then man.
Dan.
Yeah.
Okay, Jordan, guess what time it is?
Your turn.
Your turn. Just giant pile of cards. Why not, Jordan, I know. Why not, instead of putting your cards here in this giant pile, put them right in front of you. So that way when we're done, we can pick them all up and don't have to
Take
worry
my
about the
foils
giant,
back.
huge pile. What?
Take my foils back.
No, not yet. Not until we're done with the video.
Okay.
Ready, Jordan?
I got
Vulpix.
Ooh.
Milcery, a foil Lexio,
Lexio. He has a shiny essence. In Pokemon Go.
Yeah.
a Garland.
I don't know how. Berserker. He's got a Galarian Berserker.
Ooh, Berserker.
Fire Energy, Full Heal, Training Court, Doublade, Snover,
Bionicle.
Bionicle, Galarian Darumaka.
Goliath.
Luke's in the lead so far with two foil.
Foil. I mean,
V's.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm so used to saying GX and EX.
Galarian Yamask,
We have a Runerigus.
Ooh.
Surskit,
Yes, yes.
Stuffle, Coughing, and a foil Snover.
Right here, Jordan?
A foil snowball.
Toxicity. Alright, just comment down. You're gonna need to fix us. We don't know how to say some of these guys' names.
Leaf Energy,
Draco.
We got haircuts.
Orc,
I think they can tell. We're in the hair.
I know.
Don't.
Tranquil, Magmar,
Sonia.
Sonia,
Sonia. Yes. He's gonna have a huge pile.
Is there more cards in there?
Yeah, no, they're not.
Here, you mind? Let me take that. No. Okay, you ready now? Okay. Now don't. Those.
Phantom, Galarian Farfetch'd, Squirvet, Galarian Mr. Mime,
Mr. Mime.
Caterpie,
Is that a foil?
no,
Oh, that one is a foil.
Amanda Buzz,
Yeah, Amanda Buzz. Foil. Hashtag.
Pokemon Go.
Seismitoad,
What?
Pokemon Go. Boom.
Dark Energy,
Stop it.
Pokemon.
Hollow sound.
Polo Sound, Olena, Twin Energy,
You're bad at your magic. You're gonna
Yeah.
need to train.
Yeah, it's no easy. I'm in the lead. Okay. Got it.
I got a Impidimp,
Impidum. Some of the cards we've already seen.
Shinx,
Cheeks? My bad.
Sandy Gas.
He's with a hat.
It's a shovel.
I got
Oh, look right here.
Roly Coly.
Roly Poly.
Which evolves into Carkol and then Colossal.
I got Stunky.
Duncan.
Then I got
Duncan.
Flancles.
A Phalanx. He got a Phalanx.
And a VMAX.
Please don't tell me it's the one I'm thinking.
Toxicity.
Oh!
We can use.
What do you want?
Wait, what in here? What in here? We must be safe with it. It's very
Is it in a
delicate.
soft foil?
This is going in the hard case because this is a very good
Water
one.
Energy.
Water energy? Obby?
Pelipper. Pelipper.
He only has 4 more pass class.
Bronzong.
You said through us, both in our pack.
Nugget.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
This is the golden ball.
I can break the line.
No, you can't. Jordan got Toxicity VMAX. How was that
I
fair?
got
Counts as 2 points.
Mm-hmm.
Barboach.
Who's
Aerocuda.
Urhuda. Snuffle.
Stuffle.
Stuffle. Lowtoad. Growlithe.
Yay.
And then a foiled Galarian Darumaka.
That's actually pretty
And then I
Foil.
got another good one.
What? No.
Boss's Order Rainbow.
No. Don't show me that face. Don't. You got a better card than me. Why do I?
It's a
Metal
rainbow
Energy.
person. It's a rainbow person.
Yeah, he just ate some rainbow
Helicosis.
juice.
Is that how you say it?
He drunk a rainbow
Helios.
juice.
Helios. Doubled.
Double. That's
Heracross.
actually pretty rare. Next, we got the horses.
You're learning.
Hi, Pikachu. This one
Pikachu? His mouth sounds like garbage. Pikachu is the mascot of Pokemon.
It's right there.
Okay, so what?
I got Clefairy.
Clefairy.
Voltorb.
Normal for typing.
Nosepath. Wingull. Phantom. Galarian Manitan.
Galarian Darmanitan.
Foil.
Foil Galarian Darmanitan.
Garbodor.
Oh wait, Garbodor? Wait, what is the ability? Poisonous Puddle. Once during your turn, if the stadium is in play, you may make your opponent's active Pokemon poisoned. I read that as the Rebel Clash book, right, Jordan? And in it there was the part where you could combine the Toxicity V and VMAX with that specific Garbodor, and you can have a double attack smackdown.
And then a poison
Energy.
Psychic, poison, it's multiple things.
Psychic, poison, multiple things.
Excuse me, you don't cover my words.
Tank. Skuntank.
Gunting. It's
Gun
supposed to be a
tank.
tank with a skunk.
And then more Pico.
More Pikachu to knock off Pikachu in the Galar region.
And then
Capacacious bucket. You got garbage. You can eat it.
Pikachu smelled the garbage.
Oh, he's mad. He's mad. He's real mad. Oh, no.
Why did you do that, Jordan?
We're almost done, guys. Just 2 more packs to go, and then we can end the video.
Yeah.
And I can tell these
Take a
2
break.
can go, and I can tell you guys about our
Inverted?
special event.
Shinx. Sandygast. Roly-Poly. Stunky.
It's another
And then-
stunker.
What is this?
Foil. Please don't tell me you got another good one.
And then I got another good one. VMAX.
Oh! It's a beginner!
Cinderace VMAX.
Mind handing me that one so I can protectively put it away?
Metal Energy. Ooh.
It's a cinder.
What's
Metapod.
that movie?
Burning Scarf. Elena. And the Beeswax.
It's the whole form
Okay, you
of the
almost done,
tiny
Jordan?
monkey.
One more.
It's the whole form of the tiny monkey.
That's Grookey. That's Score Bunny. Yeah, Grookey's the grass type.
Okay.
Anything?
I got a
Timble.
Temple. Shrubbish.
It's an Emax. It's a VMAX.
Helioptile.
Helioptile.
Honedge.
Honedge.
You got 2
Growlithe.
good ones.
That
Very
is
good
a foil.
Man, I hate it when you get the good cards.
And then a Gyarados.
Foil.
I think that's from Detective.
It's
No, that's not Detective. Detective Pikachu cards have the Detective Pikachu characters in. It's not Detective Pikachu, it's just the way they drew it.
Put Psychic, Poison, whatever.
They changed one part in
Halaka.
Halucha.
Halucha.
Halucha!
And then
More
Born
green.
Green.
More green.
Green.
Metacham.
Metacham. Applin.
and that's
And
it.
that's all I have.
Okay, spectators, these two can go if they want to, or they can stick around for the news. What we're doing for a special event is that we are going to do a raffle ticket for the prizes of the 35 code cards. We're going to have the Elite Trainer Box prizes. There are going to be multiple prizes. Hey, spectators, we're going to be heading out soon, so see you next time, spectators. Goodbye. Hit the like button, notification bell,
Hit the
subscribe,
tiny bell.
and goodbye. See you next time.
Lights off.